Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. So like what I expected, my another box of succulent just arrived, and I am thinking to add this video at the previous one, but I think it's not gonna happen because the previous video was so long already, so I'm just going to upload it separately. So anyway, let's go unbox this box. I only have, like the other one, I only have 25 succulents in here, plus one free one. I hope the free plant is not like the first one that is just a cuttings, because they said it's in a 2-inch pot, but you see they only put it in a very little pie. I think it's not in a, they're cheaters. See, it's a cuttings again. So let's check this now, and it's just the same as the first one. See, it's so ugly, and this is more smaller. I don't like it actually. Well, anyway, I have this here again. So this is my order. Oops, sorry. I kicked my tripod. Oh no, they're flying. So that's my order. Sempervivum Heuffelii. I think that's Heuffelii. Yeah, Heuffelii, and a 2-inch container, and it has 25 varieties in here. So, and of course I got these, and they put this one again, same thing with what they did to that first one. All of these can tolerate down to -30 Fahrenheit. So yeah, I'm kind of not happy with my free plant. But it's all right, it's free. So let's open this. I mean, remove the packaging they put. I think they have a lot of orders, that's why their packaging is like this. Because normally on winter, especially on winter times, they pack their succulents very well. So it's all right, it's not gonna die. Okay, so I think this one is more prettier than the first one. This is our all Sempervivums. So all right, so that's what I got from this package. I hope you can see it. Yeah, the worker here at our neighbor, I think they're done clearing the area. It's not making noise anymore, so which is nice, you know. So these are doing all right. Like what I did to the first one, I am going to water this to clean to clean the plants. Alright, so this is what I got. It's pretty, huh? How I wish I know the names. Yeah, I am not so familiar with succulents yet, but hey, this is a beautiful one too. Okay, let's move this here so I can put this here. So it's a pretty one. Okay, I think I am just going to plant this. Oops, it's flying. I'm just going to plant this where I planted the first one. I'm gonna go get that one so I can show it with y'all what I did with it, because I've already planted it here. But I think I can just plant it just right here. See, this is what I did with this first one, but I think I can just put this here too. Let's see, I'm just gonna use this to poke a hole like so. So because it didn't work, because I am going to put this in the house on winter days. There's no way I'm going to stay this out here. So I think that will work here. Ta-da! So that's the two free plant. Normally they send a free plant that is sitting in a pot like this, because last, I think February, if I'm not mistaken, February or March, they sent me a very huge free plant. I'm so sorry, honey. And it is sitting in a pot like this. It is actually there in my terrarium. Is it terrarium? Well, where I put my other orchids. So, but yes, I did not worry this. Plus, it still has this plug. So I'm going to remove the plug and I'm just gonna put it there. That way on winter days I can put it back there and, you know, I don't make a mess inside my house. Anyway, let me water it. My water hose so that I can water it. Here we go. Yeah, and then that's it. And then I am going to repot them. I actually have a project going on, and this is what I'm going to use because they are hardy, winter hardy. So I'm going to use them That way I don't have to put them in the house on winter times. So this is it, and I still have one box to unbox, but I'm sure I'm just going to unbox it, video unboxing again, and upload it separately, because that way my video is not too long. It's not, you know. So that's all. So this is it for today's unboxing. Thank you so much everyone for joining me here, and thanks so much my Team Pretty Warriors. Thank you so much for your support of me, and of course in my channel. I appreciate all your effort and support of me. Thank you so much. And of course my husband, this is my husband's gift for me. Thank you so much, my love. Equip yourself life skills. I love you so much, my baby love. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.